Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to my subscribers, as always. In this video, I would like to do a quick unboxing of the Noctua NH-D15 G2 cooler. I'm going to be doing an upgrade of my very old CPU, an i7 3770K, so an Intel CPU that I just wanted to repurpose for a NAS. So let's see quickly what's in that box to get an idea. This is the Noctua's latest and greatest, if I'm not mistaken, fan. So let's have a look. So it comes with the first initial box, as some of you might already be familiar with Noctua products. So in here we'll have the thermal paste, a screwdriver for the assembly, and the supports. Okay, and then we have right here the cooler itself. So let's have a look. Always with some excellent packaging from Noctua. The box is really, it looks very slick. It's very nice, as always. It's just packaging, I know, but it's the whole experience. So it's pretty nice. Okay, let's put this to the side. Here it is. I believe these look pretty beefy fans. So these are like 140 millimeter fans, and there are two of them on this model. This is a very high capacity in terms of airflow on the CPU, and interestingly, there's no cache here. Normally, there's always a plastic cache here. For some reason, this one maybe it remained in the box. Ah, yes, it got removed when I was taking it out. It was right here. It was right here. So I'm just going to put this back so that there's no debris or anything that gets caught into it. There you go. Dual fan setup. I think that all you have to do is just unclip the fan, from both sides. So we're going to do that. And this is why I think it's super important to have, my plate right here, all good. So I'm just going to remove the fan. So I managed to get the first clip off here on the side. I must say that this is not the most easy way to unclip the fans out of the cooler, but also on this model that I've just noticed here, following, I don't think I was pretty careful, but I do see I see the fan being the fins of the fan right here, two of them being a bit, I would say, bent. And this was, I believe, before I started to remove them. So I don't know if this is by design or not. I doubt that this is by design. So, or this was a returned model by someone from a previous install, or it was just maybe a manufacturing defect. I'm comparing with the fan at the front here, and I'll have to check here, but it doesn't look like this one has any bent, but there is a gap definitely here. I see it also on the front one. So, but these two right here are bent. So I don't know. I'll have to check that if that is normal or not, because that could impact slightly the cooling. And yeah, there's no bend right here. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it was me. I didn't realize, and I kind of bent the fan to removing it. So guys, if you're also looking at this model and get it, just be very careful. The second fan does not come out easily. You really have to be very careful with the clips here. And like I said, there is this paper around holding the fan, so definitely remove this. Now, this the fan is really well built, as you can see right here. The quality, Noctua, that's what it's all about. You can definitely find cheaper. I could have bought like a maybe €70 fan. This one I think was like for 120, 130, I think, on Amazon. Maybe slightly more because this is like their latest fan. But the build, this is what I guess, you know, the why you pay Noctua the premium is, and I want a very silent build. The quality's there. All right, let's have a look at what's inside the box. I'm just going to put this to the side.